Now the second question, show that y is equal to mx plus a over m, y is equal to x plus a and y square equal to 4ax are the solution of the differential equation. This and also state their nature, whether it is general, particular or singular. So again, first we start from this y is equal to mx plus a over m, and this is the given differential equation. So there is only first derivative, so we find first derivative. So we differentiate this with respect to x. So when we differentiate this with respect to x, we get dy upon dx. The differentiation of mx is m, a over m is constant, so it is equal to 0. So the differentiation of y is equal to mx plus a over m is dy upon dx equal to m. Now we put this value in this first equation. So in place of dy upon dx we write m. So it be here also in place of dy upon dx we put m. So this equation first, after putting the value of dy upon dx equal to m, we get mx. This is equal to m, so it become mx, and this is a upon m. So this is equal to mx plus a upon m and is equal to a xm plus a upon m. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so which is true. So hence this is the solution of this given differential equation. Now the second, the differential equation, again there is a question, also state their nature, whether it is general, particular or singular. So this is the definition. The solution of a differential equation which involves as many arbitrary constants as the order of the differential equation is called general solution or complete solution. And particular solution, a particular solution of a differential equation is that which contains no arbitrary constant and is obtained from the general solution by giving particular value to the arbitrary constants. And third is the singular solution. A singular solution of the differential equation is that which contains no arbitrary constant and cannot be obtained from the general solution by giving particular value to the arbitrary constant. So arbitrary constant means if we find arbitrary constant here, so this is a. Okay, so these are the arbitrary constant. Now this solution contain only one arbitrary constant, hence the order of the differential equation is 1 and therefore it is a general solution. Now second, y is equal to x dy upon dx plus a upon dy upon dx. Now we take second value of y is equal to x plus a. We have to check whether this is the solution of this given differential equation. So again we differentiate y equal to x plus a with respect to x, and after differentiating we get dy upon dx. The differentiation of x is 1 and a is constant, so it is equal to 0. So this is, after differentiate we get dy upon dx equal to 1. Now from first equation we put dy upon dx equal to 1, so this become y is equal to x plus a. Again this is equal to 1, so again the left hand side is equal to right hand side. If we put the value of y here, so x plus a equal to x plus a, and left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence this is the solution of this differential equation. Now here it contains no arbitrary constant, but this solution is obtained from the general solution. So general solution is y is equal to mx plus a upon m by putting m equal to 1. Because this is the general solution, y is equal to mx plus a upon m, after putting the value of dy upon dx here, so we get this equation. So this is a particular solution. Now the third is y square equal to 4ax. So again we differentiate y square equal to 4ax with respect to x. So differentiation of y square is 2y dy upon dx. 4ax, so here x, differentiation of x is 1, so we get 4a. Now 2y goes to the right side in the denominator and 2 cancel the 4, so we get 2a upon y. Now put this value dy upon dx in the first equation, and after putting this value in this equation we get y is equal to x 2a upon y plus a upon 2a upon y. Now take the LCM, or you can also solve it like this. Y goes in the numerator, so here 2 is cancelled, a is cancelled by this a, and we get y upon 2, and this x multiplied by 2a, so we get 2ax. Now so after solving this we get y upon 2 equal to 2ax upon y. So after cross multiply we get y square, 2 to the 4, 4ax, which is true. So this is again the solution of this first equation, and it contains no arbitrary constant but cannot be obtained from the general solution. So by giving particular value to the arbitrary constant m, therefore it is a singular solution of first differential equation.